This excursion is worth every cent. Our guide Pancho was the best. We toured the whole island. He allowed enough time to snap pics and breeze through other stops that didn't pique our interest, so we were able to really enjoy our full ATVing day. There was trails for newbies and trails for the excitement riders as well. Our tour guide was perfect. He understood that we were a group of ladies and that he needed to pump us up for the more challenging trails. 1 or 2 times my face would read "Oh heck no, I'm not driving up that mountain," and Pancho would see my reserve and give me the pep talk to push past my hesitation and to dominate the machine and bring out my inner warrior, and I really appreciated him for that. I would have hated to miss out on a section of my tour just because I was in my own head. This company is the best and I'm an eagle forever now. This tour was so much fun and a great experience. The tour was perfect. They did not waste your time or force you to go to the petting zoo, which would incur an additional cost. My husband and I just wanted to see the sights and drive the ATVs in the desert. The tour did have a great swimming spot at the end, which was beautiful. Our tour guides Gabriel and Myron were outstanding. From pick-up to drop-off they were hilarious and a delight. Amazing people who truly love the island. I took a tour years ago with another tour guide and there is no competition. Gabriel and Myron were absolutely perfect. If you want a fun and adventurous time, boom the ATV tour with Gabriel and Myron at Kini Kini. My husband and I will be booking again the next time we come to Aruba. Wow! What an incredible experience! My husband and I booked an island tour while visiting Aruba on our honeymoon. It was absolutely amazing. We were in a group of 3 ATVs and 2 UTVs guided by our main man Pancho. Pancho was super knowledgeable about the island and also great at making sure everyone was safe and dominating their machine. He took us to several beautiful landmarks and made sure we had time to explore, take photos, etc. We truly had such an incredible time. I can't say enough good things about Pancho. His spirit, his knowledge, his leadership, and kindness were so beautiful and appreciated. I hope to see him when we return. Masha Donkey, Pancho and Kini Kink. Until we meet again, less than 3. This UTV adventure tour was excellent. We felt very fortunate to have Naim as our guide. He was a lot of fun to be with, very knowledgeable, and you could tell he loved his job. Not only was he up to date with current things going on in Aruba, but he was like a walking encyclopedia with his knowledge of past history. We had a lot of questions about Aruba, and he could quickly answer along with many interesting responses relating to all those. Besides having a great ride on the UTV tour, we learned so much else about the island. Truly an excursion not to be missed. We had a blast. We have to give it a 5 out of 5 rating. Excellent. It was one of the most memorable things we did in Aruba. Book Kini Kini. Our driver from the airport, Alvin from Kini Kini, recommended the ATV/UTV ride with Kini Kini. Alvin was so nice that out of all the different companies we were sure to book through Kini Kini. We had Gabriel and Myron and they brought the energy. They also took pictures for us, which is great for the memories. This was the best excursion and experience we could have asked for our honeymoon. We want to come back with family and do the same trip with Kini Kini so they can experience the fun too. The cave pool sadly had erosion, but they replaced with another swimming spot that was beautiful and we were so happy. 1 million tenths. I had an absolutely fantastic time on the ATV tour. Gabriel and Randy were incredibly personable and friendly, making the experience even more enjoyable. At the same time, they were very professional and ensured that our safety was always a top priority throughout the entire adventure. One of the highlights was definitely the cave jumping. It was thrilling and unforgettable. Plus, the breathtaking views we encountered along the way made the whole trip truly special. I would rate this experience a perfect 10 out of 10 and highly recommend it to anyone looking for a fun and safe outdoor adventure.